See the question number 26. In an AP, the sum of first four term is 20 and the sum of the first three term is 12. Then find the fourth term of AP. So here given sum of four term is equal to 20 and sum of three term is equal to 12 alva. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ the nth term of AP denoted as AN. Okay. So this can be found by subtracting the sum of the n minus the term from the sum of the first n term. So formula in ಹೇಳಿ Sn minus Sn minus 1. So calculate the fourth term. So fourth term ಅನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. A4 is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ S4 minus S3 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ fourth term ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. So S4 ಎಷ್ಟು 20 minus 12 is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 8 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ A fourth term 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ the fourth term of AP is 8.